Most 3 dangerous words in the whole fucking music business. You ain't heard? Snoop Dogg, that nigga Daz, and Tupac. From where? Death Row's Finest.
3 words to make a motherfucking heart burst. I rip the verse first, nigga, when I start to curse. Picture of black hurts, adversaries blurred in they Sunday best. He blinked, died in the dark, my gun sprayed his chest. When will I die, nigga? We all die, so until I die, why must I ride on my enemies until they fry? Father, forgive them cause they not know. My Glock cock, nigga, drop when my shots flowing. My definition of a thug, nigga, a multi-millionaire, started as a drug dealer. I love niggas open fire when I blast at you. Everybody dies, bad boy massacre. I laugh at you. Holler my name, I reappear like a genie, knowing no man alive can see me. Motherfuckers making problems, but they get what they deserve. Get destroyed with these 3 words. Motherfuckers, the world feel the fury of the chosen man. Thug nigga, 10mm closing hand. Put him in my range, aim nigga, take 5. Watch him die, shoulda never fucked around when it's time to ride. Riding low down a one-way, watch for gunplay. I hope we find true peace one day. Nobody cried when my dog died, set him straight. AK automatically retaliate.
You can even call collect the most feared duet since me and Elton play career Russian roulette. And never even see me blink or get the bus in a sweat. People stepping over people just to rush to the set just to get to see an MC who breathes so freely. Ease over these beats and be so breezy. Jesus, how can shit be so easy? How can one turn from be so leafy? Turn on these beats, MCs don't see me. Believe me, BET and MTV are gonna grieve when we leave off for Jeezy. Can't leave rap alone, the game needs me. So skip to your loo while I do what I do best. You ain't even impressed no more, you're used to it. Flows too wet, nobody close to it. Nobody says it, but still everybody knows this shit.
Fuck the world, feel the fury of the chosen man. Thug nigga, 10mm closing hand. Put him in my range, aim nigga, take 5. Watch him die, shoulda never fucked around when it's time to ride. Ride low down a one-way, watch for gunplay. I hope we find true peace one day. Nobody cry when my dog dies, set him straight. AK automatically retaliate.
I was a terror since the public school era. Bathroom passes, cutting classes, squeezing asses. Smoking blunts was a daily routine since 13. A chubby nigga on the scene. I used to have the tray deuce and the deuce in my bubble goose. Now I got the Mac in my knapsack, lounging black, smoking sacks up in axe and sidekicks with my sidekicks, rocking fly kicks. Honeys wanna chat, but all we wanna know is where the party at. And can I bring my gat? If not, I hope I don't get shot. Better throw my vest on my chest, cause niggas is a mess. It don't take nothing but front for me to start something. Bugging and bucking at niggas like I was duck hunting. Dumbing out just me and my crew, cause all we wanna do is bullshit, and we party, and 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 bullshit, and bullshit, and we hugs from the honeys, pounds from the roughnecks. See my man say that I knew from the projects. Said he had beef, asked me if I had my piece. Sure do, 222s in my shoes. Holla if you need me, love, I'm in the house. Roman stroke, see what the honeys is about. Moet poppin', hope hoppin', ain't no stopping. Big Papa, I'm a bad boy. Niggas wanna front, who got your back? Niggas wanna flex, who got the gat? It ain't hard to tell, I'm the East Coast overdoser. Nigga, you're scared, you're supposed to. Nigga, I toast you. Put fear in your heart. Fuck up the party before it even start. Is he drunk off a Henny and skunk? Or some brand Nubian shit beating down punk? And we party and bullshit. That's that. And we party and bullshit. 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 And bitches in the back looking righteous in a tight dress. I think I might just hit her with a little Biggie 101, how to tote a gun and have fun with Jamaican rum conversation. Blunts in rotation, my man Big Jock got the Glock in his waist and we're smoking, drinking. Got the hooker thinking, if money smell bad, then this nigga big is stinking. Is it my charm? I got the hookers eating out my palm. She grabbed my arm and said, let's leave calm. I'm hitting skins again. Rolled up another blunt, bought a Heineken.